with a belly so round, chewing green grass all over the ground. Pig says oink in the mud so deep, he loves crunchy corn before his sleep. Hen goes cluck, peck, 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 seeds and grains are her tasty snack. Sheep says baa, with wool so bright, nibbling on hay from morning to night. Horse says neigh, trots down the lane, munching on apples and golden grain. Duck says quack, splashing with glee, she dives for fish and peas by the tree. Goat says moo, climbing up high, crunching on